build this type of accordion. So let me show you. So when we click on the open, it should open. When we click on the close, it should close. How can we build this? Very easy. So let us implement. So let me go to my code. Currently I've implemented this. So let me just delete this complete folder so that we will write the code in front of you. Move to trash. So let us build one accordion. Let me remove this also, this route also, so it is going to work. What is the error? Accordion is not present. Somewhere I have used the accordion, now it is not present. Okay, so this is the uh, this route is not present. Let me do. So completely we are here in application. Let us build one accordion. So how can we build it? So let me create one thing. Let me create one folder that is accordion. Okay, so this is the folder I have created. So let us build here index.js. Okay, so this is the index.js. Let me close all saved file. Now it is clear. Now let us come here and build. So we can write RAFC shortcut, and we can write, this is the main component, right, accordion. Okay, mm, accordion. So this one is accordion. First let us make the route so that everything is visible, and here we need to write the accordion child. So let us first create the uh, route itself. So this is okay, default accordion. So now go to the app.js and just create one more route for accordion. So where is the all router here? Let me just create one more route for accordion. So let me just put accordion. Okay, so let us add here accordion, so it is automatically imported, okay, from our extension. So now let us remove this. So the path is this one. Just copy this path, and we are going to work on this path now. So this is the path where we are. So this is the accordion is coming. So let us build. So let us close this. Let us build. So let me do one thing. uh, Create one component where we can show the accordion child or something like that. Accordion child. So we want single functionality type of thing. Okay, so that's why I'm creating one more component, just js. So logic of accordion dot js should be there. So accordion, let me rename this accordion child. Okay, so now just create a shortcut. Okay, so now let me, what I want, initially I want header. So I have a uh, dummy uh, dummy of data of JSON. So I am going to use that. You can just export from anywhere. I will show you where I have, yeah, dummy data is here. So I will just use the generated JSON. So dummy data, and from so you whenever sometime we use uh, API also. So I generated the sometime not, actually we use the API data, but let us suppose I just generated one dummy JSON. So we are here, actually we are seeing that how can be implemented. So let me do one thing, here, then here, then src, and then dummy, and then generated JSON. So that's it. So let me so this will come. So this will come. So all dummy data has all the data present. So you can see all the data. There are three or four objects are there. So we will use a name as a header of accordion, and about as a so let us do that. 1 minute. So I think we are going to use this dummy here only, because we are going to use that here. Okay, so let me do one thing. Let me do one thing. Okay, so let me use dummy data dot map. Okay, and here we are going to use return, and here we are going to use this. What is going to return? Let me show you. This is going to return one. uh, we are going to return that child accordion. Let me do one thing. Accordion, that's all. Just visit accordion child. That's all. So let us give div so that we will write some css to this. Actually, I have already integrated the tailwind css, so I will use the tailwind css. So let me, yeah, pass that item here also, item dot item equal to item. So now as a props we can take that here. We are going to take here this props, so need to destructure, otherwise we need to write the props dot item. So we are going to destructure here. So let me do one thing. Let me write, so here there is not required, just need to write like this. So this one is the h1. H1 is for name, so we will use the item dot name, and we are going to use a paragraph for about item. So need to write like this, item dot about. So let us see. Okay, fine, it is coming, right? So this is the name and this is the about. Let us give some of the css now. So the class name. So the class name should be uh, just give text little big, text large. Okay, large, and font should be bold. Font should be bold. Okay, so now it is okay. Let us make it at the center. So how can we make it as a center? So let me go here and write some css for this. Okay, so class name width, let us take 6 of 12 now. Yeah, but we need to make it at center, right? So let us give margin auto. Yeah, fine, it is at center. Now give margin top as 12. Yeah, fine, it is looking fine. Let me go here and do one thing. So let us give some background to this. Background, just give background light green or yellow, anything. Just give background, something background. So fine, slate. Yeah, it's looking fine, no issue. Just give the background this one also, though this one should look fine. So background should be, what is 200. Yeah, fine, it's looking fine. Or, and just give, there is margin to these two. Let us, this one is one section, this one is second, so let us give margin to these two. So the class name margin top should be 12. Yeah, it's looking fine. So so let us give, when we click on this, so it should be, there should be one arrow. Okay, so let us give arrow. So one arrow should be there. So arrow, so for me it is emoji. Let us make this arrow. Let us see. Yeah, so let me give flex So you are also getting the CSS, right? How can we write the CSS? So let me do this. So now here we are getting the I think now we need to put the class name as display, no display, no only flex, only flex. Okay, and justify between. So this is going to work fine. So now background should go to the up. So this is looking fine, yeah. So let's give some padding also. Padding 4. Okay, fine. No, just give padding not to this. Control X. Let us give padding to this and also to this. Yeah. So now it's looking fine. Let me give 3. 3 is enough, I think. Okay. So let us do one thing. Give to span. Uh, okay, so we will show. So what we want when we click on this, just give the cursor pointer here, cursor pointer. So now what we want when we now see the pointer is coming. Okay, so when we click on the on this, it should toggle open and close. It should, when we click on this, it should toggle open and close. How can we implement that? Let us come here. So let us build that feature. So we will create one function cons data or show detail, and this is should be set show detail. Okay, and there should be use state. Okay, and initially it should be false. We want initially it should be false, so everything should be closed at initial when the user will click. So let me use this function. So show detail is now false, and we will use and operator. So let me go here and copy Control X and paste it here. So now you can see everything is closed. So but what I want, when I click on this, it should open. So what I need to do, we need to do we need to write a handle click on this, right? Handle click on this. So on click function, handle handle oh sorry, handle handle. So let me use handle accordion, yeah. Okay, so this should handle our accordion. So let me use this function here and just put it here cons. Let me use this function here, handle accordion, and let me write this function. Okay, so so this one is all about. So show detail, set show show detail, so true, or initially let us make it true. Okay, so what will happen when we click on this? It should true, but it's we are going, when we click on this it is showing, but we want to hide that also. So what feature we need to use? We want that just opposite of show detail. If show detail is true, then make it false, so we can write not. So in general we can write not show detail. Now it is going to work. So initially everything should hide. So let us refresh the page. So everything is hide. When we click on this, it should show. When we click again on this, it should hide. So this is the, when we click on this, this is going to show. When we click on this, it show and then hide. So this is the feature. So this is all about the accordion. Very easy, just this line of code we need to write. So never use any package in order to use the accordion. In order to show accordion, just use this line of code. So we'll push this code also. So one more feature we want. What do you want? Let us suppose when we click on this, it should, when we click on this, this should close. and again when we click on this should close. So how can we build that feature? Okay, so already this video is long. We will talk this in next video, and there also one of the most important topic we will talk, that is generally in interview asked, what is control and uncontrolled component. So from here only we will understand, by implementing that only we will understand what is controlled and what is uncontrolled component. That's all. Thank you.